People, welcome to the Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Now, 21 Glocks were found at the Freeport Wharf in St. James. 21 Glock. Yeah. It was 22 guns total. They also found an extra barrel. But these were no ordinary weapons. These were ghost guns. Now, that no mean say, right, the gun them walk around, right, looking like Casper. It means them have a sheet over their head with two little hole or a hole which part the muzzle. But no, ghost guns kind of sound like, say, right, the gun, right, quote unquote, make a Duppy, people say, right, make a Duppy, but no. Right. Ghost guns basically mean, say, right, the weapon is untraceable. Obviously, that's a big problem. It's a big problem because no time them find a weapon, right, they can trace it back to that smaddy or trace it back to that area and then they can get some kind of information from that. But when it's untraceable, right. And in case you're wondering, why they send so much Glock? You have to realize by now, say, right, the Glock is the Honda Civic, right, of the handgun world. Glock is the Toyota Corolla of the handgun world. When people are sending gun, right, for distribute among 87s, right, even at the legal world, most people, right, tend to draw towards Glock, right, very simple and straightforward. 21 of them one time. When they look on the picture of them, brand new. The man in an old rusty Matic, buried under the ground for how long, right. And look at them never even been fired yet. Can you imagine if it was 21 weapons reaching at the hands of 21 youths? So, here's the thing with these ghost guns. A regular gun have a serial number. When I say regular, mean the type where you can walk in a store, right, and buy. Right. When them something happen, you can trace its history. You can trace all the previous owner of them, come like a car. Right. Especially if I talk about Uncle Sam place. Right, then they can trace back. He did own, then he sell on to that smaddy. He was involved in this shooting. He did take part in this. But the ghost gun them, no history. People build them, right, using a kit where you can easily find an Uncle Sam place. Right. Just like old man build car, and get the chassis, and then buy the engine, then buy the transmission, and then buy the wheels them and take time build by the car. When time the car done, it's a complete car. Right. When time people build bike, when time man talk about barrel bike, get it in a piece, put it together, hard to trace. The same concept. But the man never use it. The guns. Old time days man used to just rub out the visible serial number. Right, but me say no, they might take it one step further with them ghost gun. You see, me always have a shake my head. One time them telling me say, right, all people need is a chance. Just a little opportunity. That's why if people just get a chance, then they won't follow up crime and I'm gonna put on badness. I'm telling them the same. This is culture. And the culture we subscribe to. Follow you anywhere you go. If you're into cars, right? Let's say you're into JDM cars. And you got a foreign, the first piece of money you get, right? You start look for a 2JZ engine. You start look for a super body. Right? You start look for one Nissan Skyline and you start put it together, piece it together. Yes, alright. Love that car. We can get it in the Ironman. I'm gonna send it back to Ironman so when time I go up, we can drive. This is how people work when them love something and follow up something. The same concept apply to badness. The idea is that you only bad cause him dip on one corner, right? Round your so. And if him just get a chance, then him not go bad no more. It's nonsense, cause as soon as he get a chance, as him fly out, what him do? Right? Start making money. Him start send back gun pan the corner. And now he's even more dangerous than before because the fact that he might send back gun means that he have more talk than before. Before, he was a regular 87. Before, he would just a youth pan the corner like anybody else. But now he must send back gun, right? He have more talking at the place. And now he can say, yo, go for him and go for him. Right? Mike go to foreign and turn Al Capone. Right? Make all the money and send in our own. Right? Them can do anything. But they want to continue the death and destruction back in Ireland. That's why I'm telling you, until we make an example out of one of them, they won't learn. You can talk and talk and talk and say this is going to happen, that's going to happen, until somebody actually see, right, an example get made out of one of them people, right, then it will continue. People in the Ironman might have said, hold on, 15 years, then the police will meet gun them assault. But the man there, in our Uncle Sam place, he might hear the things that go reach him now. He might hear the things that get spooky on him, but he not ask nobody to get catch. He not ask nobody to get convicted. So I have to make an example out of one of them. You see, when they go far and lick head with the Yankee 87s them even worse than the local one them. Because them learn the latest tricks. Them learn how to get around this and get around that. That is why when an Ironman 87 go foreign, right, and bother foreign, right, and then get catch and get deported back to Ironman, them alone will turn up the crime in our division. 187, right, who la bust gun and foreign and get dipped to Ironman can turn up crime in our whole division, right, because they have the brute force of a local 87, but them have the criminal tactics of a foreign 87. That combination is extremely destructive, because foreign 87 study badness like a college them day. Right. Them always want to know what's the best trend, what's the newest thing. It's like how, right, people who love TV or video game and anything, they always ask, what's the latest technology? Right. They must say, alright, this new chip come in, we can do this. And them say, oh, alright, just like how Apple update, the Apple Silicon, and them say, alright, Windows update to this and that. I saw you have man who look on badness, especially in Uncle Sam place. Them constantly update, right, in real time. And when them lick head with the Ironman 87 them, a problem. Now, this find at the wharf, right, it was discovered by the CET. If you don't know what that is, that's the Customs Enforcement Team. Right. More than likely acting on intelligence. Right now, we not USA, then catch the people them who come feet. Right. And we also don't hear, so then catch the people them who send it. So, what we go see how that go. We see the security minister say, them a work with Uncle Sam, right, ATF, that's alcohol, tobacco and firearm, to find out, right, who sent off, right, the package that went to the wharf. That's all good and well, but action talk much louder than words. You can say we are work with them, we are work with BBC, we are work with CNN, we work with ATF, until somebody here say, right, when they get catch, and they're being put on a plane to go face the new 20+ years charge, right, minimum, right, mandatory minimum, right, for trafficking guns in the Ironman, right, 20 odd years. Until somebody say that, they're not going to learn. Now, before they do the end, I want to touch upon West Kingston briefly. Recently, I did a video telling them, say, right, West Kingston is a place to go from zero, right, to disastrous, right, very quickly. It only takes a few days for the place quiet, and the next thing you know, the place gets so hot, people are staying inside, right, and can't go up on the road. Now, West Kingston has a number of tactics that delivered results, right, actual, tangible results, right, but then you don't know it already. Things shake up, things move, right, we can use empirical data and see, say, right, the tactic is working because murders is down. Once murders is down, the tactic is working because that's the purpose of the tactic, to reduce murders. And people say, well, when get rid of it, we don't want it, and then when it gone, shooting start. People say, we didn't get rid of it for, bring it back. I don't know. I'm a local YouTuber, right, trying to badmine some scammers. Right, but now if I understand, say, as is often the case, if the people that want to sit on TV, I tell them, so we don't want a police show, We don't want a JDF road, everything good. We don't want this and we don't want that. Understand? And for them people, right, are agents of the criminals. Majority of people in West Kingston, right, are not criminals. They're not busting gun, right, but them can't come on TV and say certain things. You don't really catch somebody go on TV and say, oh, bring back this and bring back that, okay, and get out them boy. Right, people whisper amongst themselves, or they might link me and say that. But publicly, we have to understand, say, that the kerosene them, right, that the man them who link with the bad man, they sit on TV at all, most of the time. Especially public, when the camera look on them and in front of the camera, and no matter how confident, oftentimes they're agents. Because if the actual law-abiding people in the community was to go up on TV and say what them feel and say them tired of the gunman them tired of J-Bar, them tired of sci-fi, police need to get rid of him, and J need to get rid of him, and they don't like him. If them say that, by the time they reach home, house burn down, right, pet dead, all kind of things. Right? So, but that's the politics of bad man place. Right? Anyway, Agent Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Vulture Squad, stay circling. Peace.